The instrument used in measuring temperature is a thermometer. Now, with thermometers, we have different types of thermometers. We have the digital thermometer that indicates the temperature by showing some numbers. We also have a thermometer that we call liquid in glass thermometer. Over here, it has a section called the bulb that contains the liquid. Now, the bulb is the region that gets heated up and then causes the liquid that it contains to expand. As the liquid expands, it moves along the narrow tube. And then the mark where the liquid falls will indicate the temperature. Okay, so let's see how this is adapted to perform its function. The liquid, usually mercury or colored alcohol, expands when heated. Now we select these two liquids due to the way they expand. Alcohol expands more than mercury, okay, but their expansions are linear. They are linear in the sense that as you subject it to heat, the more heat you subject, the more it expands, and then it expands accordingly. It corresponds. It does not expand unevenly. Let's say if you increase the heat by 1 degree Celsius, it will not cause it to expand by 2 centimeters or 2 millimeters. If you increase the heat by 2 degrees Celsius, it will not cause the expansion or the length to rise by 3 millimeters. It expands accordingly. So they show linear expansion. That is why we select mercury or alcohol. The liquid is contained in a bulb that is very sensitive to heat. The bulb is made up of a metallic material that is very sensitive to heat, so that the slightest increase will be transferred to the liquid to cause the expansion. The slightest increase will result in an expansion. Now, the narrow glass tube ensures that a slight rise in temperature will cause an appreciable increase in length. The tube is narrow. It is narrow so that a slight increase will cause an appreciable length, an appreciable increase in length. So as the temperature rises, the liquid will also move. The length of the liquid will also move appreciably. Okay, so we select alcohol or mercury because they expand linearly with temperature. The bulb is also made up of a very sensitive material. The long, narrow glass tube ensures that we see the increase in length when the temperature rises. And then we also have the glass around it has a magnifying feature that can let us see the readings easily.